how to set press globe key on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Keyboard. In Keyboard, you can see here the press globe key 2. And the press globe key is set into show emoji and symbols. So if you press the globe key, okay, you can see this emoji and symbols here. So you can change this or set to other, okay, by clicking the arrow up and down button on the right side of this press globe key, and you can see the option. So you can set the press globe key to change input source, show emoji and symbols, start dictation, or press globe key twice, or you can set into do nothing. And okay guys, I decided to set into do nothing the press globe key to on MacBook Air. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set press globe key on MacBook Air. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.